Alright y'all, good morning. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Today is a super exciting day, but not so much for me. I mean, I am excited, but I'm super excited for somebody else. My parents. They have got a big shipment coming in today, and they've been working on it for a long time. So let's go see what's coming. What's up, Dad? How you doing?
I'm alright.
Where's everybody else at?
On their way.
Yeah, give us some background. This is gonna be for you to look at 10 years from now. What we got going on? What's on the trailer?
Okay, it's a 1990 Baba 40. This is the 111th out of 115 built. So 4 after this. There were only 2 built at the same shipyard that this one was built at after this one was built. The last 2 were built at a different shipyard.
And what's the plan?
The plan is to go see some of the world.
Sail around the world?
Might as well. We'll just start going and see where we wind up.
Shoot, yeah.
Talking to Tyler on the phone. Robert's filming this, Tyler. Smile.
Is Tyler coming?
Tyler, you coming?
I'm smiling. I'm coming. I'm on the way.
Okay.
He's on his way?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, she's here. She's stripped down. She's one naked vessel, but she's here.
And Tyler has entered the building.
Non-building building, but
He's not much of a camera guy. Check out that smile and those eyebrows.
yeah.
My feature film ready.
What is going on, Mom? What we got?
Well, my chunky muscular son. I know you don't like that. We are bringing the current Reposado home to our Little Rock dock.
Home.
Soon to be renamed Monadon, Little Rock, Arkansas. We have been waiting quite some time to get her here because she's been resting in St. Augustine, Florida. We actually purchased her in August. We had to totally redo her bottom. The bottom part of the sailboat's extremely important.
She got a butt job.
I mean, that's common sailboat talk, but anyway, she got totally stripped down and repainted, and to where, you know, the salt water's not going to damage her. And we're going to bring her here for 2 to 3 years, and then we're going to take her out in the ocean and do some blue water sailing. A little bit around the Bahamas first, and then our plan is to circumnavigate the world. But while we have her here, we're going to take her apart piece by piece and grease her down and shine her up and paint her and make her everything we want her to be.
I love it.
Yeah, that's our retirement plan, is take her out. We're, you know, no need to settle down during retirement, ladies and gentlemen. It's time to rev it up and get in shape because it's very physical sailing
Well, you're getting in shape.
boat.
You're eating the right diet. You're
Yes,
staying
I
active,
am
getting your
definitely
steps
keto.
in.
I'm definitely keto. I've been straight keto for quite a while now, and I can tell a big difference. I really can.
And Tyler eats gummy bears.
Tyler's eating them. He still includes gummy bears, but he's doing more meat.
I bet y'all gonna be eating a lot of mahi when you're out there on the blue water.
And our first meal that we're going to have on the boat is going to be lobster.
I don't blame
I
you
told
there.
your dad it's going to be lobster, so.
That's the day, right? We're gonna jump on and eat some lobster. Pop champagne?
Yeah, we're gonna have champagne today.
How's the lobster?
Shoot,
Yeah,
yeah.
we're gonna have some champagne today. Okay, we got the mast coming off now. We just got the boat in. Not in, but off the trailer. You give Robert the heavy end?
Okay, let's let the
Here we go. We are gonna do it this way. Okay. Here we go. Manpower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They're
go with it now.
Up against the wall there.
That's my power. Minus a few sails. Don't drop it. Please don't drop it. Please don't drop it. Please don't drop it. Coordinated effort. Some are struggling more than others. Good job. Don't drop it. Don't drop it. Don't drop it. Don't drop it. Very good. Ta-da. Alright. There's the mast.
We're not in the water yet, but that's not going to stop us from getting in. Go ahead, Tyler.
I need Bob next because I want a picture of Bob and me up here.
Oh.
Smaggy lip, smaggy lip.
Kind of dark.
Kind of dark. Sunshine there.
Look at that. All right, Tyler, you and me, we gotta get up there and kiss.
Come on, Tyler. You can get a kiss too.
In your dreams.
That's my brother, by the way.
Oh, the wood.
All right, supposed to be climbing the ladder safely here and filming at the same time.
Come on, Robert. Welcome aboard. Powder shoes on. I'm not kidding.
I got camera duty.
Barefoot. All right. This is what the top of it looks like. Pretty cool. We don't have the sail on it yet, obviously. It's got all the wood, which I'm digging. Little finish work. It's where the mast will go. All right. Let's go inside.
Come on in. Ooh, it's cold in here.
Alright, so we got the galley here.
Galley.
Pretty cool, pretty cool.
Double sink.
Double sink.
We
What we
got a-
got here?
Refrigerator, freezer over here.
Fridge and
Both
freezer.
top and bottom load.
Nice. What we got
Yeah,
here?
this is another room.
Little bathroom. This is the bedroom.
That's one of them.
So, little bedroom there.
The closet.
A closet space.
That's where you hang your wet clothes.
Picture of me.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness, what?
Robert had to film himself.
Nice little dining area.
This is our saloon.
Saloon.
With
They got the navigation
table.
station. Some books. Some seating. Your windows.
This is our head. a separate shower.
So we got the sink, toilet, shower. Nice.
Motor room back here.
No, it's under the steps. Scarf. And then this is our
The master.
berth.
Take a nap. It's pretty cool. Got like shelving up
Lots
here.
of storage space and ventilation. I like the ventilation. When you're in the Bahamas, you need lots of ventilation.
Shoot, yeah.
You got a closet right here.
Yeah, some books here.
Closet.
Hanging closet.
Nice. Pretty cool.
Another closet.
So we're all gonna sail around the world together.
Yep.
That's the plan, right? Where are we going first?
The Bahamas.
The Bahamas.
We're gonna start the Bahamas.
The Bahamas. Get ready.
And this
Y'all excited?
I'm excited.
Excited? Alright.
The sun in my eyes.
Now y'all smile. Tyler and I are just sitting here on the back of the boat on dry land. No water, no waves, no whiskey.
It's the worst part.
The worst part. But I think it's going to go in the water later this week once the ice melts. And then we'll start working on this beast. Get everything sanded, varnished, put together. Get the mast on there, get the sail on there. Have a plank put on there so Tyler could walk the plank.
Get some whiskey on the boat, or rum. Rum even better.
And we'll be just pirates. Pirate time. We get a parrot. Gotta have a parrot and a peg leg.
Yep.
And
You know what a pirate's favorite letter is?
our
Oh, you'd think that, but it'd be a C.
it'll be good.
Easy.
So you didn't get any rice then?
Celebration time.
No, I'm watching your figure.
Expand.
Making you go keto. Except for the champagne, I guess.
This is keto champagne.
Get down here, it's cold. Although it's
Yeah.
Anticipation. All right, Tamanadon.
Bum, bum, bum. Congratulations, y'all. Proud of y'all.
Thank you,
Yes, indeed. Mom and Daddy-o got their boat.
Mommy and Daddy.
Tyler's got a salad.
I got a salad.
Salmon and salad. Tyler, can you drink this?
Cheers.
Our fancy dancy champagne glasses here.
These are highfalutin.
Mm-hmm.
These just look like people that own a yacht have champagne glasses like this.
Hey, you don't want anything on a yacht that's gonna break.
That's true.
That's pronounced Yatchet.
Yatchet. We just call it a sailboat.
It's not a boat,
It's a yacht. Cheers,
Alright.
y'all. Congratulations.
Tamanadon.
Congratulations.
Tamanadon.
Tamanadon. Alright, y'all. I just got to brag on my folks real quick. And it's pretty much how I'm going to end this vlog 'cause it's unrelated to most of the content that I put out. But super proud of them. Several years back, my dad read a sailing book. Like, it was just a novel on sailing. It wasn't like a how-to. It wasn't a tutorial. It wasn't anything. It was just a book about sailing. And he's like, you know what? I think I'm going to learn how to sail. So he bought a small sailboat, taught himself how to sail. He then bought a larger sailboat and sold the smaller sailboat to my brother and I. That's the one that you've seen me sail on. And that's been great. He's been doing that for several years. And then him and Mom decided, you know what? Let's just do something exhilarating when we retire. So they bought an even larger sailboat, which is the one that you saw in the video today. And that's the one that they're going to fix up, totally refurbish, and then use to sail around the entire globe and enjoy their life together in retirement. And I'm incredibly excited for them. I'm incredibly proud of them. They're both just incredibly passionate, you know, inspirational people that whenever they put their mind or heart on anything, they do what it takes to make it a reality. And this is true beyond sailing. Like, my dad is like the most interesting guy in the world. I mean, anything that he's ever compelled or been excited to do or learn, he's taught himself how to do it. like whether that's blacksmithing, anything, anything. Sailing is just one of the ones that's been here lately. I mean, he taught himself how to fly. He's got his pilot's license. And he's freaking, he's a beast. But I'm super excited for both mom and dad, for them to do this together. I mean, my brother and I have the best parents in the world anybody can ask for. They are incredible leaders. They're incredible. They're just incredible. They're incredible in every sense of the word. Like, we look at them and we're proud of them. We're just impressed by them, and I'm excited for them. Like, here they are. They're about to retire, and a lot of people go into retirement with no plans, no expectations, nothing exciting that's looming. I mean, they're not going into it like that. They decided that they were going to sail around the world. They taught themselves how to sail. They bought a sailboat, and they're going to make it happen. That's pretty ballsy, pretty bold, if you ask me. So I'm excited for them. Tyler and I are probably going to figure out at what points they're going to be, coming into certain ports. We're going to fly out there, and we'll meet with them and probably spend a good portion of their circumnavigation with them. So we're super excited about that. There's a couple parts in the world that are pretty dangerous to sail, around the Cape of Africa being one. So Tyler and I may fly out there and help them in that. Not really sure what all is going to happen. We still have some time to figure all that out, but it should make for some pretty amazing content for any of the opportunities that I have to join them in that circumnavigation of the globe. So again, I'm incredibly proud of them. I'm incredibly, inspired by them. They are motivating, inspirational people that push me and my brother Tyler to be better every day as well. So this video is honestly more so for them to look back on years later, and for Tyler and I to look back on years later, and for, honestly, my kids to look back on years later, so that they can get to know their grandparents a little bit more, because their grandparents are awesome individuals, and I love my folks with all my heart. So all that to say, appreciate y'all for watching. Crystal and I have always tried to bring y'all into our lives in every way possible, show you some behind the scenes of the business, show you some behind the scenes of our brand, and with that, I mean, it's all intertwined, so show you some behind the scenes of our family life. So again, super proud of my folks, super excited for them. Thank y'all for tuning in and watching this, and I'll see you next time.